Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some in-demand fall hairstyle ideas. Here we see someone doing a big chop. So it looks like she is getting a bob makeover. Ooh, very cute. She got the face framing curtain bangs to make the bob pop even more. And a stunning chocolate hair color here. Very fun and cute hairstyle idea. So next up we have someone who already has a bob. Looks like she's getting some color here and a cut refresh. She goes much shorter with more of a beautiful angled bob shape. Love the way that color looks. She's got the feathered bangs, lots of volume within this cut. So moving on to look number 3, looks like she's getting more of a layered haircut here. Oh, the blunt bangs going there in the front, beautiful cascading waves. And then here we have someone who got their hair dyed, one of my favorite hair color trends, and that of course includes the copper tone. And she's also getting some layers cut in her hair as well. Very nice. Love the way that this turned out. So next up we have another cut refresh. Looks like she's getting more of a mini bob style here. Very nice. And she also got some bangs, a little bit of bangs to frame out the bob. So cute. So here we have someone else who has this really pretty copper color to the hair. She's also getting the hair shaped. Now I talk frequently about this on my channel. If you are looking for a simple way to shake up boring strands, getting layers, getting bangs, two of the best options that you can try out. So she does cut quite a bit of hair off with this hair change. Stylist mixes in the bangs. Oh, I love that color. It just looks so pretty against her complexion. I feel like this is such a pretty hairstyle for the fall. The way that the bangs and the layers frame out her face. Gorgeous. Then it looks like we have another bob makeover. So this bob also features some bangs, and that's another huge trend that we are seeing this fall. Her hair also has a natural ombre coloring with this. You can see that that color that she does have is growing out, and I think it looks really pretty with the bob cut. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas that you can try out this season. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.